Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, on Monday when we the Muslims were performing the Fajr prayer in the lead of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, suddenly we got startled, for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam lifted the curtain of Hazrat Aisha's chamber and was looking at the Muslims while they were drawn up in lines performing prayer. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled to the extent of laugh. Thereupon Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu started returning to join the first row, thinking that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam might have intention to come to perform the prayer. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, the other Muslims had intended to break their prayer in the pleasure of the catching the glimpse of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam beckoned to them with his hand to complete the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then entered his chamber and drew the curtain. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4448.